Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by reducing metabolic stress on beta cells, cut refined carbs and sugar, and choose fiber-rich, low-GI meals to blunt glucose surges. At the same time, start consistent movement, 30 to 45 minutes of aerobic work 4 to 5 times per week, plus more daily non-exercise activity. Once done, implement a 10 to 12-hour eating window to limit post-meal insulin demand. These shifts together lower demand on beta cells and create conditions supportive of recovery. Next, focus on cellular-level support. Start resistance sessions 2 to 3 times weekly to build muscle and improve insulin sensitivity, which reduces beta cell workload. Make sleep a priority, aim for 7 to 9 hours, and introduce brief daily stress control like breathing or mindfulness to lower cortisol. Meanwhile, prioritize whole food fats and micronutrients, omega-3 rich fish, magnesium sources, and vitamin D optimization to reduce inflammation and support cellular repair processes. These actions create an internal environment that, to complete the process, make these habits sustainable. Track weight and glucose trends and reassess goals every 4 to 12 weeks. Adjust nutrition or training as needed. If you see rising fasting glucose or symptoms despite efforts, consult a healthcare professional promptly. Medications or specialist care can reduce damage and protect beta cells while lifestyle changes take effect. Finally, stop smoking and limit alcohol. These final steps maintain gains. Troubleshooting tip: if progress stalls, get labs and medical guidance rather than doubling down alone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.